guys, I've been filming for about 20 minutes only to discover that for some reason the camera has like reset itself and deleted all of the data. Why, camera? I'm currently filming on my Canon, I don't even know what it is. It's a camera that I bought for vlogging after my Sony kind of died. And if you follow closely, you will know that I have hated this camera pretty much from day one. It has so many flaws, like I hate this camera. However, right now it is my only option because since I moved here, what I've pretty much been doing is using this room, which was emptied out specifically so that I could use it for a working space, and I have just been putting stuff in here and it has been increasingly getting more and more hectic. Now, if you've watched recent videos, you will know that I moved from Victoria to Western Australia and there was headaches with like the last minute plans for getting my stuff over here, so I had to like come up with a panic solution and I posted a lot of stuff. Now the plan was always not to really unpack because we're moving again in March. Other than giving you that information, I don't have anything more to share. I will share more when I know more and when I'm ready. Initially things were kind of okay. I had to dig through a lot of the boxes to look for my cameras because I couldn't work out. I was like, I know I packed them, but where the hell are they? I did end up posting them to myself, which is like, don't do that. That was dumb. I don't know why I did that. They've arrived, which is great, but also the issue is a lot of the tech related to the cameras, so battery chargers and the batteries and memory cards and stuff, I also can't find them. And it's not that I can't find them, it's more that I have to spend 5 minutes searching for them because everything in this room is chaotic, and it's my fault because that's what I've done. I've just sort of dumped it in here. Now, all of the packing boxes are chaotic. All of the crap everywhere is chaotic. It is not conducive to having a productive work life. Originally I was going to film a different video, but I couldn't find the chargers to my big Canon cameras. I couldn't find the batteries to my big Canon cameras, and I was just like, this is like, this is a circle jerk. You need to sort this out before you can actually be productive and get stuff done. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am not actually going to unpack stuff. I am going to tidy up these boxes a little bit better. There are a few things that I need. So like a few beauty products, which I'm probably going to run out of before I actually move again. So I want to get those products out so I have some options when it comes to time to picking them. And basically what I'm going to do is just sort of move my way around the room. Now, I've already started on a box. As I mentioned, the camera is just, what are you doing, camera? Like, I don't need this. Here's a box that I was starting with. I found a few bits and bobs in there that I needed, like toning products for my hair. I managed to, you know, get things a little bit neater and tidier. If this camera does not save this footage, you will never see this video because I will set the camera on fire. Probably with the memory card in it. Okay, something you didn't see was me just making a beeline for the kitchen to see if I could find some Ziploc bags to put little bits in, and I have opted, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to try and organize these a lot. What I'm going to do is look for the things that are on my list. So I need face wash, serums, hair leave-in, hair pre-wash, moisturizer for the face, I need body wash, and I need SPF. So I'm just going to have a look. Is there anything like that in here? It does not look like it. Lots of fragrance. Nope. Box number 3. This also looks like it's possibly going to be useless. It's like brow stuff, base stuff, face mists. My 50 million face mists. Is there SPF in here? No. Okay, next. This looks like it's all makeup, so again, thank you. Next. I don't need any of this right now. This box, oh yes, okay, so SPF's there. These ones are from Quick Flick, which I recently received in PR, but I haven't had a chance to talk about. I'm going to take out the little Charlotte, you don't want your ball, Freya. I'm going to take out little Charlotte Tilbury palette. I'm going to put it in my current makeup bag just to keep it safe, because I don't know if you can notice, but like a palette here has exploded and is making a mess. So I'm also going to take that out so I can clean it up. And I might be able to use some of those trays for organization. I'm also going to take this inside because, well, we're already inside. See how used to saying like take something inside I am because of constantly like filming in the garage. Anyway, I'm going to take this with me because I can use that for organization as well. The rest is staying as it is because I don't need any of it right now. Okay, so we're gonna do this part again, which I just filmed, and for some reason the footage isn't there, and I have trust issues with this camera, so now every time I film a clip, I'm checking if the clip is there. This one's gone. Hopefully this time we will have better luck. I've just gone through this box after putting a few boxes in the like little built-in robe here. I found something that was leaking, face oil. I'll just take that in the bathroom and start using it. I don't really need a face oil right now, but whatever. I don't want to put it back in the box. It needs to be wiped down. Look, there's a few things that I kind of still need, but haven't been able to find many options for, but I found like one. So good enough is good enough at this point because I don't care. I'm going through this, which is literally just like a little packing cube that I threw together at the last minute, and I hate myself. There's a hair clip, which is super handy because it's hot as hell in here. But it is just an absolute mess of like things. But to be fair, there's also things in here which would prove quite handy at the moment. So I found one of my glass nail files, which I've been wondering where they went for ages. I've got some isopropyl alcohol, fantastic. I've got some hair clips. Wait, is this isopropyl alcohol? Did I change it over yet? What? Yeah, I did. Okay, good, very good. That can just go away from my face. I know how much you guys love some clickety-clack sped up footage, so I'm gonna give you that while I pack my nail polishes into this drawer. I don't want to do this at the moment. I have them in these, which are like lids off my boxes with samples in them. And I don't want to do it because I don't want to have to pack it up again, but also I kind of need these lids back so that I can pack the samples away without them potentially like exploding out of the boxes if I accidentally drop a box or something. Can I fit both of these in here? No, you can't. No, you cannot do it. It will not fit. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Wait, what? Oh, 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 oh. You can do it. Good enough. This this is the majority of the chaos I've got left to deal with. There's still a little bit over there, but we're getting there. I'm getting there. It was never a big job. I knew it wouldn't be a big job. If you can hear that noise, it's Freya. She's squishing a ball. Just be grateful it's not super squeaky. Yeah, I knew this wasn't a big job. I just also knew that I wanted to like film it and share it with you guys. And when everything that you need to like do your work is an absolute mess, it's hard. It's really hard. I did this thing, so thanks, Freya. So this here is like a palette organizer from Refa, and I pulled this out and I started to stack my sheet masks in it, and I was like, oh my god, this is so clever. And guys, like, look at how many sheet masks I have. It's really not that many. I'm so happy with like how this has shrunk. But then I moved it and they all fell out, so that's fun. Please fit. Oh my god. Fits like a glove. Here is the situation, the room. It's looking heaps better. So I've got a little pile of tech bits over here. Now I'm gonna put them in a box. The box is currently in the bathroom. Once I've emptied that out, I will bring it in here and tidy them up. Everything is packed away in there. I managed to find almost everything on my list. A couple of things I didn't, but that's fine. Freya wants to play. I'll take you out in a minute. We'll throw a ball. Yeah, a couple of things I didn't find, and most things I don't actually have. Like, I wanted options, and I don't have options. I have, like, you know, one body wash. So when the one I'm currently using is done, I have to move on to that. I also found in here is my like little bag of jewelry, which is great. I'm going to a wedding sometime soon. I don't know, is it like this month or next month? I don't know, but I'm going to a wedding and I want to be able to accessorize, so that's great. The room is done though. That camera is so dead to me, and at least now I will be able to find the things that I need, and when I'm filming I won't be surrounded by a bunch of crap. It's all in there now. Everything fits in there just so perfectly. It makes my little organized wannabe brain very happy. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave it there. Quick little, not really unpacking, but unpacking video. Like I said, I'm not gonna do a lot of unpacking because I just have to pack it up again. Actually, there maybe is one thing you guys might like to see, and that is how I've organized like my stuff in the bathroom cabinet. So I'll get a clip of I showed it in a recent vlog, but I'll take you and I'll show you in case you don't like to watch the vlogs but you like to watch this stuff. Okay, here it is. This is what we're looking at. So over here I have like face washes and spot treatments. I've got body stuff here, some lip balmy gloss things, SPF stuff and cleansers. I've got like puff and sponge and brush cleaner at the back, deodorant, all that stuff. Little bits that I use regularly. I've got some perfumes. I really want to pan these because it's like taking up a lot of space. And then I've got some like flosses and stuff like that. Down here I have my makeup bags and my brushes. That pretty much sums up how I'm feeling today. And some hair products. These weren't in here, I've just put them in along with a couple of like skincare things that I may I'm definitely going to need a moisturizer at some stage soon. I was thinking I might also like a different eye serum because the The eye serum that I'm using is running out. The eye cream I've just opened. I don't know if this is going to be like an actual serum or a cream, or if it's like I don't know what it, I don't know. I just pulled it out because I was like, eye things, I need eye things. Then this is a mess, but it's kind of hard to organize. I really miss like my IKEA tubs and stuff like that, but they're in the car, so I don't have them just yet. And this is not everything. I also have stuff like up on the bench. If we were going to be living here permanently, I would totally get like some little like organizers and stuff like that for this space, but unfortunately this is not going to be the sink area or the bathroom like storage area that I'm finally working with. It will remain to be seen what I end up with. So until then, we won't go over this again, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm sure there will be another video up very soon. No idea what it is. Don't even know when this video is going up. So just leave it at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.